Hey guys, welcome back to my channel one more time. This is Esther. Thank you all so much for tuning into the video. If you guys are new, welcome. Just to go ahead and take a moment to subscribe if you have not. But I just want to share with you guys some of the deals that you could do as a curbside pickup, and you'll save an extra $3, which is not a whole lot, because we also have the same L'Oreal deal that you can do in store, and you're gonna get back a $3 register reward as well. So for me, it'll come out to be about the same. But if you're wanting to do this deal, it'll come out for free and in about $11 money maker for you. So first, we want to make sure we have the appropriate coupons and we're grabbing the proper products. So we're going to pick up 2 of the Dove women's body wash. I'm going to show you guys, you can pick whatever that you'd like of your choice. And then here it's going to show you the $2 coupon, but we do have a $6 coupon that we had last week. I'm going to show you guys that coupon here. It's not going to show up because it's no longer available for you to clip, but it's going to be the $6 off of 2 coupons. So looking for it here. There it is. So you want to make sure you have this 6 off of 2 clip that's going to attach to the women's body wash. Next, you also want to make sure that you have this 4 off of 2 clipped that's going to be attaching to the men's body wash. So we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of the women's for $8. That'll take us to 16. And then we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of the men's at $7. That would take us to 14. So Dove is on a promotion this week for when you spend 15, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So let's do the math together. If you grab 2 of the women, so 8 plus 8, that's 16, plus 7 and 7, that takes you to $30. So that means that you're going to be doing the deal twice. So we're going to go ahead and grab those 4 items, taking us to $30. And then you're going to take out your $6 off of 2. And then you're going to take out the $4. So then that'll leave you to pay $20 out of pocket. And then you're going to get back $10. $5 for doing the promotion each time. So your final cost there is going to be $10. Then we're going to head over to Fetch, where we're going to submit our receipt for $6, because there is a promotion for when you spend 15 on Unilever cleansing products. You're gonna get back $5. You're gonna get back $3. And these are the participating brands, as you can see, Dove's Men Care, as well as Dove for the women's. It also has a list of items here that you can purchase, what it excludes. And I've already done this once. This does expire on the 30th. So it is on the 29th as I'm filming this. So feel free to grab whatever you want. And so let's go back here to my cart. So, let's do the calculator. So then now we're going to get back $6 from Fetch. So that's going to leave your final cost to be $4 or $1 a piece. So all the way from $8, from $7 to about $1 a piece. So that's that there you want to grab. The next 2 items you want to grab is going to be on the Olay. Now, the reason why I want to add the Olay is because there is a promotion happening now in store. If you buy the Olay, you buy 1 and you get back $3 in Catalina. I don't know how long that promotion is going on for, but I'm going to go ahead and do it online because I do have this $12 coupon. And there is a promotion right now. When you spend 20 on P&G products, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. It is also printing in store, but I've done 2 different deals. It didn't print for me. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm grabbing with this $12 coupon, giving me a higher value coupon so I can use $20 in Walgreens cash and still getting cash back. All right, so I was looking through here. There's quite a few items that you can grab, but my store is out of the cheaper products. So like this Olay toner here, my store is out of it because that deal has been around for a little bit. Even this is another one. It's a 10.99 product. My store is out of it. So I'm only grabbing, I think there's only two of them that my store might have. So those are the two that I have in my cart, which I don't see on this list. But those are the two that I do have in my cart. Lastly, you want to make sure that you have this booster. So the $20 booster for when you spend 40, you're going to get back 20 in Walgreens cash. It's easier for me when I sort my coupons by brand name. I know it's easier just for me to find things. So you want to make sure that you have this $20 booster loaded as well. That's going to give you an extra 20 bucks back in Walgreens cash. All right, so now let's take a look at my cart. I'm going to show you guys everything that I have in my cart here. So I've got the Olay, I've got the Dove body wash, two of the women's, and I've got two of the men's, and I've also got two of the Olay products listed here. I am using a online code for 10% off, so WAG10. And then these are the coupons. So the $12 of the Olay facial, the $6 of the Dove, and the $4 of the Dove's men. So my total comes out to $51.98. So even though I am meeting the spending requirement, and because I'm using a promo code WAGS10, I still want to make sure that my total is still over $40. So $51.98 minus $3. So I'm still at $48.98. So I'm in the clear there to use not to use Walgreens cash yet, but I'm still meeting the spend requirement. So I do want to get my total over so I can use some Walgreens cash. I'm going to show you guys some other items that I'm going to be adding to my cart so I can use some Walgreens cash. All right, so this is what I'm going to be adding to my cart to get my total over $60 so I can safely use $20 in Walgreens cash. So we do have a promotion with Shea Moisture where you spend $15 and you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So we do have a couple of products included. So I just simply typed in Shea Moisture, and I scrolled down and I found the coupon. There are two different coupons, but there's only one applying to the bars of soap. So I want to click on the coupon, and then here I can pick and choose what I want. I think I'm going to go with the African black soap here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. It's $6.79. When you buy one, you get half off. So here is my coupon. Here is my promotion. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my cart. So then the next item I'm going to grab is going to be a body wash that I want. All right, so this is $10.99. I want to make sure that my half of product, I'm still at $15. So the bars of soap is $6.79. Divide that by 2. So that's $3.39 plus my $10.99 product. So no, I am not at $15. When I did this deal in store, I was at $15. So I got to find something that is more than $10.99. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back here to my coupons. I might get the $11.99 product. I'm looking here to see what I really want. But it has to be maybe an $11.99 product. Or even if I did like the bars of soap, it has to be more than $6.79 for me to get it. So I think I'm gonna go with an $11.99 product. The other thing I had in mind was this, but I don't know if they have it in stock. They look like they do. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this. So let's do it again. So we got our $6.79 divided by 2. That's $3.39 plus the $11.99. All right, so we're at $15.38. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my cart, making sure that the coupon is attaching. All right, so now we should be at the threshold. So now we were getting back $35 in Walgreens cash, which should be getting back $40 in Walgreens cash. So let's see, $40. And because I am working with 3 different promotions, I need to make sure that my spend requirement hits each of those promotions. So let me explain. So the Dove is spend 15, get 5. So I need to spend 15. I'm doing it 2 times, so plus 15. So that's $30. And I'm also doing the Shea Moisture, that's 15. So I need to make sure that my spend requirement meets at least $45. That's prior to coupons, as well as after any store discounts. So my total here is at $67. I'm gonna do 67.36 minus my 394. All right, so that takes me to $62.42. So I can safely use 20 in Walgreens cash here. But see how that drops my total down to $42 to $43. So I am not meeting the $45 spend requirement. So what I am actually going to do is add one more item to my cart so that I can meet the $45 threshold requirement. So I have decided to add a Scott product. We do have $1.25 for the Scott. I do have $2 paper coupons for the Scott paper towels, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the toilet paper since you cannot use any coupons while you're online. You have to do it in store. So here it goes. We do have the 125 here, which I just showed you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my cart. And then we're going to do our totals again. So, and I'm doing it this way just so you guys can see how to match up everything when you do a spend deal and things like that. So you know exactly what you are doing. All right, so now let's see. So my total is 72.36 minus my 556. So 72.36 minus 556. Yay! So I am at $66.80. So now I can use 20 in Walgreens cash. There it is. I am at $46.80. So yes, you guys, I can use 20 here in Walgreens cash. That will leave my total to be higher out of pocket, paying $23.43. So I'm gonna pay $23, and then I'm gonna get back $40 in Walgreens cash. So let's do the math here together. So $46.80, that's what we're paying. And then we're gonna have minus our $28 in coupons. So we have promos and coupons up top here. And then at the bottom, we've got just manufacturer coupons. So this 431 is for the Walgreens WOG10 code, and then the 125 for the Scott. So then we're gonna do minus our $28 in coupons. So we're at $18, but plus our taxes, we're gonna be at $43 or $23 rather. So I'm gonna pay that, and then we'll get back 40 in Walgreens cash. So minus our 40. So that's gonna give us $21 in overage, right? Plus we use 20 in Walgreens cash. So that's gonna make that free in $1.20 moneymaker. But wait, we're going to submit back to Fetch for $6 on these products, right? So we're gonna submit back to Fetch, and then we're gonna get back $6. So $3 for doing the deal twice. So we're gonna do $6. So that's gonna make that free, you guys, and a $7.20 money maker. Yes. So we're gonna get and then for as far as the points though, here's what we're getting points back for. So we're getting back 40 in Walgreens cash. We're getting back 20 for spending 20 on our total. 20 for spending 40 on our total. We're getting 10 back for the Dove product, so that makes it 30. we're getting back $5 for spending 20 on P&G products, and we're getting back another $5 for spending 15 on the Shea Moisture products. So this is all that I'm going to be doing for this cart. I am going to proceed to check out. Check out, you want to make sure your address is correct, where you're picking up your item, the store that you're picking it up at, and you also want to make sure you put in for substitutions because they don't always have those items in stock. So you want to make sure that everything that you're picking up, they do have it in store and in stock. So this is all I've got for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.